Sometimes things don't go as well as you expected. I don't know what that's like because this is exactly what I expected. Alexa, what's the temperature right now?
Right now, it's 19 degrees Fahrenheit.
It is 19 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to do a cold start. What we have is a fully built 7-liter iron block LSX, Texas speed, 6-bolt heads, this weird belt-driven turbo, running 85, making a little north of 1200 horsepower. It has never been to the track. It'll never go to the track. Don't ask me numbers. Don't ask me my 0 to 60. Don't ask me my quarter mile, my eighth mile. Because I couldn't tell you, because that's not what the car's for. It's just a fun daily driver. But we are going to attempt to do a cold start, and it is fucking cold. So give me a second. So oftentimes when I do this, on live at least, the exhaust just blows out the mic. So I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to hear it properly. But I don't think I've ever started the car this cold. I have no doubt it's gonna start, but it's gonna take a few tries. So just bear with me. I need the key. I have a key. It's dead. I need the other key. I have the other key. It's also dead. Moment. Sometimes things don't go as well as you expected. I don't know what that's like because this is exactly what I expected. It's cold as shit. And why shouldn't I be out here freezing my ass off? I swear, if this breaks now, that would just be the topper. Also, fun fact, when you need batteries for your car remotes or whatever, you can go to Walmart or whatever and spend like $12 on 2 batteries. Or you can go on Amazon and buy 20 of them, 25 of them for $19. That's what I did. Don't mind me. Just don't watch this part. Ugh. And it doesn't help that, like I said, it's 19 degrees out here. Oh, that's not even, it's like double layered. Have you ever noticed that, like, batteries, right? Like these indestructible fucking chunks of metal, right, are in like the most secure packaging ever. But like you buy a fucking dozen eggs and they're in a paper box. This is a special battery opening tool. Don't worry about it. I can't feel my fingers. Holy hell. Now you gotta line this up with that thing. Click, click, click. Let's try this again. Hey. All right. sun's out. Oil temperature in the car is very low still. 41 degrees.